All right, so I have our 8 packs from our 2023 Pokemon Collector's Tins. Now, these come with 2 Silver Tempest packs, 2 Paldea Evolve packs, and 2 Scarlet and Violet packs. Cool Trainer Ryan found a fun little gimmick or glitch in production where every single Silver Tempest pack has an ultra rare or better. Now, this happened in America, of course. I wanted to test out whether this was also true in Australia. I've bought some packs from some Australian retailers, and we're going to find out if these Silver Tempest packs have guaranteed ultra rares or better. I bought these from 2 different retailers, so I got 4 packs from one retailer and 4 from the other. It probably all comes from the same stock, but I thought, hey, in case they come from different batches, it'd be worth trying. Let's start off. I've mixed them up now, but let's start off with pack number 1. Yeah. That's a good sign. Okay, pack number 1. I am going to go with a Psychic Energy. Oh, nailed it. All right, show me a Lugia. Show me a Lugia. Lopunny. Hello, Charles. Quadstone. Regenerative Energy. Chimecho. Phoebus. Fennekin. Spinarak. Beldum. Reverse Torracat, and an unknown V. All right, so pack 2. V cards are classified as ultra rare, so we could be onto this. This could be right. So first pack, we got the unknown V. Pack number 2. Okay, another good code card. Pack number 2. I am going to go for Lightning Energy. Okay, we got a Dark Energy. Dracloak. Matang. Show me the Lugia. Anorith. Lugia. Snorunt. Fletchling. Ferroseed. Smeargle. Esper. Reverse Phanpy, and... Oh, it's true. It's true for this batch. We got a V-Guard Energy. Okay. I think we're going to get 6 more chances at a Lugia. That is huge. Let's go. V-Guard Energy. Beautiful. Our first 2 packs, we've picked up the Unknown V, which I should sleeve it. The Unknown V and the V-Guard Energy. 6 more packs to go. Can we get the Lugia, please? I need that card in my life. I haven't been this excited for an opening. I feel just like Cool Trainer Ryan, man. Holy shit. All right, come on. Please. All of them. All of them. Come on. Okay, come on. Here we go. Give me that Lugia. Give me that Lugia. Fire Energy. Oh, 2 for 3. Okay, Fire Energy. Torracat. Dragonair. Venomoth. Chimecho. Baneri. Drowsy. Spinarak. Ralts. Reverse Rare Medicam. Looking thick. And... okay, we've got a Superior V in the back. Not a Lugia, but it's another hit. So, I know where I'm going on the weekend. I'm going to buy more of these boxes. God damn. 3 for 3, baby. 3 for 3. Number 4. This is my only Lugia pack artwork. We're saving it. We're saving the Lugia pack. Okay, we got a couple of Regieleki. Let's go Regieleki. Oh, baby. Yeah. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Unless... I mean, that's not a guaranteed bad sign. The white border code card. Fighting. It's Water Energy. Like I said, I got these from 2 different manufacturers, or 2 different retailers, so we'll be interested to see. Ataria, Dracloak, Mariani, Indeedee, Boltoy, Sunken, Klink, Reverse Claydol, and... okay. Ooh, interesting. So maybe one of the retailers, because I have mixed the packs up, maybe one of the retailers, it doesn't help me at all, because now if I want to buy more, I won't know, but one of the retailers potentially doesn't have this, or it's not every single box. There's also the possibility it's not every single collector's chest. Okay, pack number 5. Okay, that's the code card we want to see. This will be the test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass energy. Dark again. Dark energy. Meowstic. Glalie. Candace. Fennekin. Murkra. Beldum. Baltoy. Dunkern. Reverse Togdemaru and Candace Rainbow Rare. I'm resisting making a joke right now. I'm not ending that sentence. Anyway, Candace Ultra Rare. Or Rainbow Rare, rather. So that is another one. So only the one bad pack. Interesting. I wonder if the second Regieleki will be bad. Okay. On to the next Regieleki. Let's find out. This one could be a dud as well. It could be a Regieleki thing. I never liked Regieleki anyway. Okay, we got the good code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fire. Water again. Water energy. Capturing Aroma. Well-Lord. Raichu. Beldum. Baltoy. Duncan. Vampy. Indeedee. Braviary. Show me that Lugia. Show me that Lugia. Alolan Vulpix V. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. There's a chance one of these packs is bad. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. I'm saving Lugia for last. Regidrago. Give me the Lugia. Give me the Lugia in the Lugia. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, man. I want that Lugia all art so bad. Okay. This card is really bad cutting or whitening. Psychic. Another dark. Okay. Dark energy. Leafy Camo Poncho. Palisand. Metang. Beldum. Stunfisk. Vulpix. Snorunt. Fletchling. Oh, Trainer Gallery Persimmon. And in the back. Oh, okay. This might be the second pack in the bunch. That wasn't. I mean, does that count? I don't know if Trainer Gallery slots count, but we got the Rapidash in the back as well. I mean, sure. Did we save the best for last? Or did we save the worst for last? Let's find out. Give me that Lugia. Give me that Lugia. Ah, we saved the worst for last. Anticlimactic, sure. I mean, we can still get it. We can still get it. Okay. Lightning. Leap energy. Fury Sword Girl. Sure. Donphan. Braixen. Phoebus. Fennekin. Spinarak. Beldum. Kroyunk. Reverse V-Guard Energy and a non-holo Gardevoir. Alright, wow. Interesting. So we had, of the 4 tins that I bought, one of them, it must have been a dud. We opened 4 tins. We had 8 packs. From the 8 packs, these pulls kind of suck, to be honest, because I didn't get the Lugia and that's all I really wanted. But with the Candace Rainbow Rare, which isn't a bad card. It probably has some value. We got the V-Guard Energy, the gold. We got the Persimmon Trainer Gallery. We got an Unknown V, a Vulpix, a Alolan Vulpix V, and a Superior V. But it looks like if you want to buy these from retailers in Australia, you can replicate the exact same thing that Cool Trainer Ryan showcased a couple of months ago. So you guys, if you liked this video and you enjoy my content, don't forget to drop a subscribe to the channel, like that video, hit that thumbs up, and ring that bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one.